Hello and welcome to this short video. My name is Ruben Ashwell, and you should already know that by now because that's my channel name at the moment. Well, the reason for this video is because this computer has got problems. See? When I tried to turn it on, it has continuous short beeps, which mean a memory error. Turns off. Turns on again. And then eventually it goes on to turning on, but as if there were power failures preventing it. And then eventually turns on, but freezes on the first goes, but then when it turns on completely successfully, it will freeze if the desktop is either left idle or it will sometimes freeze when you're doing things like playing a game or whatever, but also sometimes it will restart when you haven't told it to at the most inconvenient of times. I might as well pause the filming until there's another problem other than this beeping. It's annoying to show you. Okay, so rather than waiting for the computer to eventually boot up, I thought I'd open up the inside and show where the RAM has been positioned. Has it been put in the wrong place? Has it been inserted the wrong way round? Because last time I checked, it only goes in one way. And also at first I thought there was loose connections and things that caused a problem, but doesn't happen to be that. I checked if there were beeps for other errors, but clearly longer than 11 that was listed on Gigabyte's website with all the error codes and things. See, all the components and things appear to be all connected and all that. If anyone is able to identify what the actual problem is, a comment would be very much appreciated. I can't really be bothered to film all these other various problems and things, so I guess it's thanks for watching. Please like and dislike, because if you do dislike my videos, I'll just give you a computer with loads of memory errors. And that's the same for stealing the video and claiming it to be your own. And trying to strike the video when it's not even being stolen. Also comment with any suggestions on how to fix the computer, because they're much appreciated. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in my videos. Also tell your mates, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, all that stuff, if you likewise do. And hopefully goodbye to these stupid problems. And just another thing, I'm pretty certain that the RAM that was inserted was DDR3, which I don't know if you can see there, but the motherboard will only accept DDR3 RAM, anything under or above probably won't work, but this is unlikely. But if this is the wrong RAM, tell me. Goodbye.